everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video, I will show you how to connect your Facebook account to Mobile Legends. So first, you need to open your Mobile Legends. Now, after you are in your Mobile Legends app, you will need to click on your profile located in the top left corner. You need to go to account menu from the left and you need to click on Facebook account, and if you want your Facebook avatar to synchronize to your Mobile Legends avatar, then you can just check it. Otherwise, you can just check the connect account only and then click on OK. So now you will be taken to this page where you need to confirm your account. Just click on continue and it will connect your Facebook account to your Mobile Legends. After that, just click on OK and you're done. Thank you guys for watching. For more tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll meet you guys on the next video.